Alright, so to prove to you that this thing works without taking much of your time, I just want you to observe the screen now. So it says we can't verify your subscription status, right? Your Premiere Pro subscription has ended. And you can see that it's saying we are still having connection problems. So that means there's no internet connection on right now. But anytime you open the app, it keeps telling you this. So how do you fix it? Just observe the date and observe the time. Observe the date and observe the time. So I'll just quickly walk you on how to fix this right now. So first and first, you want to ensure that you exit the app, you exit all Adobe apps, and first we're going to quit this, and then make sure that no Adobe app is on. Then you come to your tax manager and ensure that there's no Creative Cloud services running, because if there's anyone running and the next step you want to do now, it's going to tell you that you can't do it because there's a Creative Cloud service running. So you want to make sure that there's no Creative Cloud service running. And for this, we're going to end this one. So you're going to end the tax. Then you're going to press Windows R, press enter this and press OK. It's going to take you to this place. So you can see I've done this before, but because of I'm showing you how to do it, so I'm going to do it again. Back to this. So if you get here, all you just need to do is I would have said you should just do this, just disable the OOBE file, but a better approach is to, this can work as well. So when you disable it, you see they're going to create a fresh one, just like you see here. But a better approach is just renaming it. That means disabling the whole folder. So all you just need to do is to come here, and click on rename. Click on rename and say disabled. Say disabled. So once you click on disabled, so it's gonna work. But if there's any Adobe service running at that moment, it wouldn't have worked. So now that you have done this, all you just need to do is to relaunch your application. You're going to relaunch your application. Now observe the time, observe the date. Still no internet connection. And you see we have access to the app once again. So all you just need to do is to follow the step-by-step method I've shown. See that? See, we didn't have to uninstall Creative Cloud. The Creative Cloud is still very much intact. So I told you this is a genuine way you can extend your free trial. Yeah, no cheat code needed. I said I'm going to show you some things you need to do such that there is no leak to it. So I'll quickly show you that.